Hey everybody! This video will talk about using the remainder theorem to evaluate a polynomial. First, let's talk about what the remainder theorem says. The remainder theorem states that if you take the polynomial f of x and divide by x minus c, then the remainder of that division is equal to f of c. Or, you can restate that as the remainder theorem tells us that the value of f of c is the same as the remainder we get from dividing f of x by x minus c. So in order to evaluate this polynomial p of x at x equals 3, we could, in the past we've been able to, or we know that we can just plug in -3 into our polynomial, and we'll end up needing to multiply all this out and get some big numbers. What the remainder theorem says is that if I divide this polynomial by x minus c, or what is inside of my polynomial, then I'll end up getting a remainder, and that remainder will equal my polynomial evaluated at that value. So let's do synthetic division. X minus -3, so -3 is our c value, and our coefficients are -1, -2, 5, 0, because there's no x term, and then -7. Synthetic division, bring down the -1. -1 times -3 is a +3. And we're adding. -2 plus 3 is 1. 1 times -3 is -3. 5 plus -3 is 2. 2 times -3 is -6. 0 plus -6 is -6. -3 times a -16. Times a -6 is 18, and then -7 plus 18 is a +11. So 11 becomes our remainder. And then what the remainder theorem says is not only our remainder 11, but our function evaluated at that c value is the remainder, or 11, equal to 11. In other words, p of our polynomial evaluated at -3 equals 11.